Are you looking for the top Chinese drones? In this video we will look at some of the top Chinese drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. V916 MAX GPS Drone. Bring your vision to life with the V916 MAX GPS Drone, crafted for creators who want every memory to feel powerful and truly alive. Imagine exploring open skies while capturing scenes that look rich, emotional, and full of depth. Each flight creates a strong connection between your imagination and reality, helping you tell stories that people remember. Steady movement delivers a natural viewing experience, making every recorded moment appear smooth and pleasing. Smart positioning support gives a sense of control and confidence, allowing you to enjoy the journey without worry. The built-in display adds a more connected feeling, letting you guide your perspective in a simple and engaging way. The stylish body reflects modern design with a comfortable grip that feels easy to manage during every use. It suits beginners as well as passionate users who want to improve their creative output without complexity. Every moment in the air feels exciting, opening new ways to see familiar places from a different angle. Create stunning visuals that attract attention and keep viewers interested for longer. This advanced drone helps turn everyday experiences into memorable stories, making each captured scene feel valuable, meaningful, and worth sharing again and again across your digital space. Number 2. ZLL D12 Drone. Step into a new dimension of creativity with the ZLL D12 Drone, designed for those who want every captured moment to feel powerful and unforgettable. Imagine rising above your surroundings, where every view becomes richer, deeper, and filled with emotion that connects instantly with your audience. Each flight offers a sense of freedom that transforms ordinary scenes into something truly special. Fluid motion creates a visually pleasing experience, allowing every recorded memory to look natural and engaging. Intelligent guidance support helps build trust, giving you the confidence to focus on your ideas instead of control. The built-in screen remote brings a closer connection to your vision, making every movement feel smooth and satisfying. Its modern structure reflects strength and elegance, while the comfortable handling makes it easy for anyone to use with confidence. Whether you are new or experienced, every journey feels exciting and inspiring, opening new ways to express your creativity. Create eye-catching content that naturally draws attention and keeps viewers interested. This remarkable drone helps you capture meaningful moments with clarity and depth, turning everyday experiences into powerful memories that stay alive and worth sharing again and again. Number 3. Xiaomi Mjia V916 MAX Drone. Unlock a fresh sense of creativity with the Xiaomi Mjia V916 MAX Drone, built for those who want every memory to feel vivid and deeply meaningful. Imagine lifting your perspective beyond the ordinary, where each captured scene carries emotion, beauty, and a story worth sharing with others. Every flight becomes a moment of inspiration that connects your vision with reality. Smooth and stable motion brings a natural viewing experience, helping your recordings appear clear and engaging. Intelligent support systems give you confidence during every journey, allowing you to focus on creativity instead of control. This compact flying partner fits easily into your lifestyle, making it perfect for travel, daily exploration, and capturing special occasions. The foldable structure adds convenience while maintaining a modern and stylish look that reflects your taste for innovation. Handling feels comfortable and simple, making it suitable for beginners and passionate creators who want effortless results. Each use brings excitement, turning familiar surroundings into something new and visually striking. Create content that stands out and attracts attention without effort. This advanced drone helps you relive important moments with clarity and depth, making every captured memory feel valuable, emotional, and worth sharing again and again.